I think so too. I mean, I think the gap, because it's 5 across. It seems to be.
It looks right.
It looks right, and 5 is a good number.
Yeah, I think it looks right. And we know we're looking at it. It looked right. While we did try it with an extra one in. It just
seems too heavy, too much.
Too proud.
Sherry gets to practice her square knots. Up she goes. These are the small timbers. These are the cross beams. This strategy of bringing them in through the robbed window, we actually just found out that this robbed window was not robbed until probably around the 1900s. I've just seen a photo of the castle that the window is not robbed in, so it's fairly recently, but probably for some similar purpose. So there's Ed Byrne. We got Stephen Porter down below. We got Gary Garrity manning the ropes. Inside the tower, we have Gordon, Aiden, Patty, and Lee. So I've been banished to make tarts or take children on some other womanly duty, which I don't mind because then I can take photos and videos. It's a person levering job plus the crane, guiding the beam into place. Oh, we've protected the windowsill. Construction hat. There it is. Continuous improvement. And now Patty's taking a turn at the window.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Shut up.
Stephen.
Another.
Are you working with the podger? Oh, it's a crowbar.
I think what's happening is the winch is going over the other beam, so it's centered out where it is. That's why it wants to stay out.
No, it's caught.
Now it's gone, now it's gone.
It's going. Yeah, it's nearly there. Nearly there. Yeah, there, now that's it. Perfect.
Woo!
There we go.
All right.
Yeah, no, you go one up with your side. One up.
Break everything down. Let's get this ladder down. That's it.
Hey, Fenton, I'm filming you guys.
Oh, all right. Are you okay?
I'm all right. Are you okay?
Oh, I haven't.
I don't want to distract you.
I haven't my vest on.
These are the joists going in.
Yeah.
Nicely spaced
Oh, yeah.
with some.
Now, David. Good man.
David and Fenton and Fionn, how are you today?
Good, thanks, Liz.
Good thanks, Liz. Yeah.
Good, thanks, Liz. Just let us get on with it, Liz.
The weather have improved a little.
Thank goodness.
Not as wet. Yeah.
I know, and some light in here. That's good too. Oh, you don't even have the light on. You don't need the light right now.
No, we have her upstairs.
Oh, upstairs. Oh, okay, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, as the day gets brighter,
So it's almost. I mean, is this similar to a regular floor, in the sense that? No, but it's different. You would not have these beams in a normal floor, or
Oh no,
you have done them like this before?
That place out, the old buildings, like, but
Yeah.
not
So like barns and things like that. Yeah.
Not new buildings, no.
Yeah. So we have the wall plate, which is above Fionn's head, and then we have the cross beams, and then we have the joists and the Fenton Carroll company coming through again to save the tower. So I had to take a walk in. Darkness has fallen on Sigginstown Castle because it's like 4:20 in the afternoon in November, almost December, and I wanted to show you what has happened here today. We have the beams up above, but I am standing on a floor. This is very exciting. A tour by flashlight, which I have to hold in my mouth in order to take other photos. And it's a plywood floor. It may not look like much from where we're sitting, but underneath it looks great. These are the beams. Next floor gonna come soon. So Neil and Finton, Fionn, Davey have been working away today on this, and I am bouncing on the floor. I don't want the castle to fall down, so I won't do too much more with that, but this is very exciting. And I will go down the stairs. You will see this. I will hopefully not trip on anything as I'm going by flashlight. It feels like midnight, but it's actually 4 o'clock in the afternoon, or 5 o'clock now, full dark. So in here, it's got the joist being staged, but see, look at this. Isn't this awesome? Underneath the floors. Now, eventually you're not going to see plywood underneath there. You're going to see boards. I'm probably going to paint them in between. I have this desire to do some decoration underneath here. So this will be a lot of fun once the finished floors are going in. But right now, just the fact that we can walk up there, we have these great joists and beams. The wall plates are over here. That we're up at that next level, and we haven't really been able to walk out there yet. So a banner day and night at Sigginstown. All right, so we're here with JP and Holly. My flash doesn't seem to be working. And we're here at roof level because we can, and Maud, say hi, Maud.
Hello.
Hello. Because we can actually walk on this floor. This is the 4th level. And you can see here that we can actually access the roof level. And we haven't been up to this height since we put on the roof in August.